reaction mo habang pinapanood. I know hindi ito first time, pero maraming beses mo na rin napanood. Pero ngayon, anong reaction mo habang pinapanood?
Mas naging emotional ako kasi kasama ko nga sila Buboy.
Yes, nakita ko nga kanina.
Everybody po na dumating that was part of the film mo, mas naging significant po para sa akin yung experience watching the film. And again, seeing how much work GMA Films put into the digitizing and remastering of the film. I'm very grateful nga kasi the new generations, may pagkakataon silang ma-appreciate pa yung mga pelikulang makaluma. Dahil 98 yun, my God, I was 18 years old. So again, I was grateful, I was emotional, I missed my mother very much. I wish she saw this. I have a feeling she would have been delighted by this remastering, digitizing of it. And I know she would be proud.
How do you feel that GMA is like put in a lot of value in the works of the movie? How does that feel as a person or a family member?
I think that's why there was a time I transferred. Naging kapuso ko. Nang an actor. So I know how it feels. I know how much love and support GMA has always shown my mother and myself. That's why I know. So it feels right. That's why when GMA called, I don't like this anymore.
Yeah.
But because I knew it was GMA Films, the original producers of Rizal, they believed in my mother when no one did anymore. And I will forever be grateful to GMA for my mother's legacy and what they did. So it feels like familiar, like I'm coming home.
Do you feel that there are going to be some efforts also to do something with the works of the other films?
I hope they do. If they do, I mean, you have Muruami, you have so many of our old films that have not been touched. I mean, I know another group digitized Carnal and Moral. But there are many other films she has.
That's exciting.
Exactly. They've already been done, but I feel, yun nga eh, it's not, I don't want to enforce ideology or filmology to the younger generation because they're the future, I believe. Tayo dapat ang sumunod. Sila na. But again, with what GMA Films has done and yun nga, is giving the generation a chance, the younger generations a chance to research if they choose. If they want to learn from the past, but again, they're free not to.
Pero sa tingin mo, anong magiging impact nitong sa generation?
I have no idea, honestly, and I cannot wait to read it online. For those who have seen the movie tonight, for those who will see the movie, I want to know what they think. Because again, it's the minds of the young that matter now, no longer in the past. But again, it's nice to know that they exist if you want to learn from the past. And again, that's what GMA did.
So
again,
tayo parang nakakagalit pa rin habang pinapanood.
ako rin eh, na-affect
ganun
ako eh.
pakiramdam kanina, di ba?
Diba na? Kasi, and again, the choice nga to remaster and digitize this film still feels timely for me. That's why na-affect pa rin ako eh. Parang, it's, lahat ng nangyayari doon hanggang ngayon. So, wala lang. I'm very proud and grateful and delighted that the GMA did what they did.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Maganda remaster ko yung movie na ginawa namin.
Kasi magpapasalamat po ako sa GMA Films sa ginawa nila natin. Very most mga nabubuhay, iyak ka rin sa ginawa ng GMA sa pag-digitize. Excited po ako para sa generation, sa mga future generations dahil pwede na nilang makita sa grabe. Tungkol ako sa
Ma-interview kami ng ilang Gen Z. Ka-appreciate nila yung format ng movie. Ano po masabi nyo?
sana po appreciate ng Gen Z. Sila po yung they're the future. Pero sa ginawa ng GMA, may pagkakataon
nagpapasalamat po kami ng pamilya niya na restore po ng GMA Films ang isa sa mga masterpieces ni Direk Marilo. A good story is a good story. Period. A good story can become a great story depending on how you tell the story. At sa case na to, yung nasa larangan ng pelikula, driven by the passion, the devotion, the hard work of the filmmakers, the actors, everybody that is part of the filmmaking process, and technology. So, as Buboy said, I am very curious to see what GMA Films has done. But I know and I'm grateful to GMA Films for making one of my mother's greatest films accessible to this generation and to future generations. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
May naka-video ako dahil.
Pwede mong tawagin, nandito daw ang cinematographer si Roddy Lacap. Gloria Diaz.
So this one. Ito.
Presto po. Presto po.
Uy, ang Jess. Jess Navarro po, editor ng Pilipinas. Si Nonong Buen Camino po yung nasa dulo, ang musical